Today on Designing Spaces, we're taking lawn care to new heights with robotic technology that will save you lots of time and keep your yard in great shape. Meet the Moritis family.
My name is Lacey Moritis.
Daniel Moritis.
We have 2 children, Demi, 6 months, and Silas, 2 years. And we are from South Florida. We've lived here for 6 years now.
We like to fish outside. There's a lake right out back.
It rains a lot, so the grass is always growing. Always have to go outside and cut the grass. Takes a lot of time away. We don't have a lot of time lately.
So with our hands full of kids and multiple businesses and not having time to cut the grass myself anymore, I went online and I searched something that would be more automatic, and I came across the Orion Robotic Lawn Mower made by Sunseeker.
I didn't even know something like this existed. It's very unique. It will definitely free up a lot of our time. Instead of working in the backyard, we can actually enjoy it, which is the whole reason we moved to South Florida.
Justin Novosel from Sunseeker is on his way to the Moritis' home to help get them set up with their brand new X Robotic wireless lawnmower.
Lacey, Daniel, thank you so much for having me out today. You have a beautiful home.
Thank you very much.
And I can certainly understand why you want to take your weekends back and install the Sunseeker Orion automatic lawnmower.
That'd be nice, yeah.
With all of the noise in the landscape that's going on right now, I can assure you that our Sunseeker Orion unit is one of the quietest robotic mowers in the industry.
That's nice.
So out of the box, we have the unit itself, the RTK antenna, the power adapter, push pins for the base, and some extra blades to swap out in season. So let's talk about the intuitive installation. Find a nice flat area of your lawn to position the base. We have these push pins that allow you to secure the base into the ground. Position the RTK antenna on the back of the base.
Could that be installed elsewhere?
Yes, so the Orion robotic lawnmower comes with a base that allows you to mount it on your patio, the side of your house, or even on your roof.
Okay.
And then also a QR code that snaps here on the back to help the unit return back to its base.
Nice, sounds simple.
Now that we've run through the installation of the base, we'll take the unit out, we'll charge it for 20 or 30 minutes to get a full charge. And while we're doing that, we'll download the app and get you working on the phone.
Sounds good.
We're fully charged. Next step is to get the app set up on your phone, Daniel.
Okay, perfect.
So we'll go to the App Store, we'll download the Robotic Mower app, we'll open up the app, and we'll scan the QR code on the back of the Orion mower. Okay, great. The device is paired. Next, we'll go to Settings, and we'll set the time zone,
Okay.
and then we'll connect it to Wi-Fi. So before we set the mapping area, just wanted to talk about the technology behind it.
Okay.
So there's 3 principles. It works off of RTK, which is similar to like the GPS in your car or phone. Dual stereo camera, so it sees objects in 3D, and then also Wi-Fi. So between those 3, it has centimeter accuracy within your yard. It won't go outside of the boundary.
Okay. And will it see dog toys and animals and kids?
Absolutely. So it will see a toy and then avoid it altogether.
So it's safe with the 2 young children?
Absolutely. So there are a lot of sensors on this unit, but the biggest safety sensor is a lift sensor. So anytime that the unit is lifted, the dual blades will shut off immediately.
That's
Nice.
reassuring.
So on the app, you could set this for balance, deep or efficient cutting, high speed, low speed, mowing in rows or mowing randomly, as well as lower or raise the cutting deck. There's also a rain sensor. So if it starts to rain, it'll put itself back into the dock.
Okay.
And then it could delay cutting again for up to another 12 hours. Lastly, it has a schedule. So you can set the number of days a week and the times you would want it to cut.
Okay, cool. So when it gets dirty or muddy, how do you clean it?
It stays outside all the time, the base and the unit itself, and then you could pick up the unit and rinse it off with a hose. So no issue with it being out in the elements or getting wet.
Awesome.
Okay, great. I think we're ready to set the boundary and get your grass cut.
Sounds great.
So what we do is we go to Map Setting, Remote Mapping, and then Start Map.
Wow.
So when it's finished mowing, it'll just automatically return back to the base station in charge and wait till the next scheduled mow. Okay, great. You guys are all set. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So to keep the mower running effectively and efficiently, it will periodically update over the air via the app. And if you have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to give us a call at any point.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You made it
Thank you.
very seamless for us and
Thank
very
you so
easy.
much.
Are you looking to beautify your lawn effortlessly and spend more time enjoying it? Visit sunseekertech.com and learn more about their state-of-the-art X Robotic Lawn Mower system. Enjoy your mowing time.